In this week's class, we were looking at a basic turn that works really well in waltz, but of course we can use it in tango as well. We were starting from back ochos, so I'm leading Shelley to back ochos, and when I go to my left leg, she goes to her left leg. I give a lot of energy for her to come around. And as she does, she steps with her right. I'm going to step around her with my right. So instead of stepping on this side of her foot, I'm stepping on the other side of her foot. Now, as I go around her here, I'm going to bring my hips around quickly and bring her back forward. So for her, it's going to be back, side, forward, side, and then exit out. So if this is the line of dance here, we should get perfectly around and back into the line of dance. Then we added a little bit to this step, where when I step around, and right here, I lead her forward and to the side, and when I do, I step in with my right to do a sacada. When I do that, I bring my feet together, change rate, and go back to the first step, where I step around. So strung together. So as we talked about in waltz, that we wanted this to keep going smoothly. So there's no real break in the step. That we keep going around. In fact, we could keep stringing them together till we're done. And we could end just in line and walk out, or we could end with her side step and get an ocho cortado. So here, could lead her to the side and then back in front of me for the ocho cortado. The one thing we want to keep in mind for the leaders is that my upper body is turning to the right. It keeps going. And I keep her in front of me. One of the things that often happens in this turn is the guys don't get their hips around quick enough, so it ends up like this, where you're side by side, instead of here, ready to receive that side step. So here, I get my hips around very quickly. Then we change the step just slightly, and it changes the momentum or the feeling of the step. So it starts the same, but here, instead of doing a sacada, like I was doing, I was stepping in for a sacada here. Now I'm going to just wait until she takes her back step. Then I'm going to step around. So wait, go, go. So it has a different momentum to it. And go. Wait, and go.